Kalmado at payapa na ang aking mundo. Kalmado at payapa na ang nilalagaran ko. Patuloy lalakbay sa mga pangarap ko. Salamat sa barkada, pamilya at sarili ko. Ang dami na nagbago dahil sa mga naranasan ko, na puro negatibo at panlilito sa mundo. Inakalang hanggang dito lang ako, pero abante pa ko hanggat may oras pa ako. Ayoko na sayangin ang pagkakataong ito, kahit tamakin ang mundo. I don't wanna waste my time, I just wanna put myself in line. Get that one, this day is fine, just making rhyme. I'm making money, daily grind. Hindi pa naman malayo ang nararating ko, pero malayo na ko sa dating sarili ko. Kalmado at payapa na.
Hindi ko na video.
Drive safe. Drive safe.
Hindi ko pala na-play.
Text me while you driving, it can wait.
It's the beat freeze.
Drive safe. Stay focused if you wanna reach your destination. You just gotta drive safe. Drive safe. Drive safe. Drive safe. Keep your eyes straight. Texting while you driving, it can wait. I just gotta drive safe. I'm just trying to get to where I stay. Before you leave the highway on your way, buckle up and drive safe. Stay focused if you wanna reach your destination. You just gotta drive safe. Texting while you driving, it can wait. I'm just trying to drive safe. Stay focused if you wanna reach your destination. You just gotta.
Tapos na pala yun, sabi mahaba.
Weekly lang pala eh.
Mas mahaba pa yung Pampanga.
Oo.
Welcome to Tacloban! Dito tingin ka na ng ano, BPI ni John. Tacloban.
Oo.
This is Tacloban, Samar. Tacloban City.